Hi, I'm Keith.
And I'm Aaron.
And this is Destination Whiskey.
On Destination in Reno, Nevada.
And we're visiting High Mark Distillery on St. Patrick's Day. Hey, we're here at High Mark Distillery in Reno, Nevada. Felicia's agreed to help us out making our own barrel. Aaron and I have decided to make a bourbon today. So what does it mean to be a bourbon? It has to be a new oak barrel that's been charred. It has to be American oak. And it has to be 21% corn. 21%, listen to me.
51.
51%. I'm just seeing who's paying attention out there, that's all. So 51% corn. Aaron, what else we decided to put in this one?
Well, we all four grains we're going to put in. So we got barley, rye, wheat, and corn. Again, you said 51% corn, so we went 65.
We're going to go 65% corn.
Yeah.
Because you can always go higher. You just can't dip below 51%.
Can't go below
So at least 51%. Yeah, so we're going 60% corn.
Mm-hmm. Wheat, which is a neutralizer,
Correct.
we're going 5%.
And the reason we went there, we thought it kind of gave it a little mellow feeling to the taste when we were tasting it. She gave us samples of different things. They were all 80% corn and 20% the other.
Great.
And we sampled those. And that helped us choose what we wanted to do. And we decided 5% wheat because it would give it a little mellow quality. At least that's what I felt in it.
I like to call it smooth.
Smooth.
Because I'm smooth.
Yeah.
He is.
And then you had a couple of other ingredients.
We
You
did.
added 2 other grains.
Let's go to the barley first.
We added the barley.
We added the barley, because barley's going to give it a little bit
We're
of
going to
sweetness.
add the barley. We haven't done it yet.
Right, because it's going to give it a little bit of sweetness, but at 5%. So you get a little taste of it, but it's not going to overpower it in any way.
Correct. That was a little kiss of sweet.
A little kiss of sweet, yes. Love
And
it.
then you've got another powerful grain in there.
And then we're going to do some rye.
Yes.
And what's rye's job?
Give it the peppery taste.
Correct? Correct?
Yeah, it's a little peppery, spicy flavor notes. It should be good and strong. And it should give us our main flavor profile with these just giving accents. And so that one we got, how much did we get? 25%?
That is, did I say 25?
25.
25%, yeah.
So 60 corn, 25 rye, and then
5 of each of those.
And this is going to be a beautiful recipe.
65% corn. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. 65% corn, 25 rye, and then 5 and 5.
And then I'm going to have you gentlemen go ahead and be the ones that actively fill this. So I'm going to trade spots with you, Aaron, if that's okay.
Absolutely.
And then I'll let you guys slide in.
Yeah.
And I would say whoever would like to start first with the barley or the wheat, because that's the smallest amount that we're going to do.
I have the
so
barley,
For the
so
barley, we've now converted it to fluid ounces on the scale here. And so there's a measuring scale that we have. And then the pitcher is, we already took off the tare so that we're not picking up that weight. And now you're ready to pour.
All right.
And then there will be a tiny bit of an eye twitch going on in a bit, because you know that you're getting close to filling the barrel and having it overflow. And everyone always tries to be so meticulous about not, overflowing the barrel. We have a towel under it, and we actually have a term for that. And so in the distilling world, that's called baptizing the barrel. And I want you guys to do that. So
We're going
here
to
we go.
baptize our barrel.
Yes.
So I used to call it, that would be, what did I say? What was that term I used to call? That was alcohol abuse.
Yeah.
Yeah,
'Cause
you
you
would
weren't
think so,
drinking it.
huh? I know.
So this is my first pour. How quick is this going to go?
Not too much. And so you'll want 3.1 ounces, and there's no way to make a mistake. If you over pour, I'll just have you pour it back in. And you'll go a little faster into the center than that. Okay, so that was a little much, so I'm just going to do a little dash of that back out.
All right.
We both did it. I can't get that close. Okay, and now a little touch more.
A little dab of do you.
Tiny bit more.
Come on, Keith. Oh, that alcohol abuse.
Yes.
Go. Okay. And so
Dare I put that hand in my mouth after all this?
you can just put on the towel if you want.
I got a lot on my
It's
hand.
alcohol abuse.
Yes, a lot of alcohol abuse
All right.
here. My
I'm pouring.
apologies.
Now you should pour it in. Yep.
All right.
Oh, now pour that in. Yeah.
And then we always want to make sure that we turned it off.
Yeah, it'd be bad if the spout was open and.
And that's the spigot, but we call it the duck head because it kind of looks like a duck and he's got his little bill to the side. So you want that.
All right.
And perfect job. Okay, now I'll tare it again because we want it on 0.
Perfect.
And now, if you guys would like to go ahead and do your wheat, 3.1 ounces.
All right.
They do this for anybody well, you do it 5 days a week where you can have this class?
6 days a week.
6 days a
Yeah.
week you can come and you could do a class. She'll tell you what does what and what kind of flavors and stuff, and then you can make your own barrel. This one's the smallest. You can get a medium-sized barrel up to even a full barrel if you really want to do that.
Yeah, so we have the 5-gallon barrels. This one will actually do 4 of the bottles of 375 milliliter bottles. So he's a little pot-bellied guy. He's going to give you quite a bit of bourbon out of
much
there.
back.
And then, oh my gosh, good job.
Aaron is the
It's
official.
picture perfect.
I can't be a master distiller, but I'm a master.
Yes, that was smooth. Okay, and now you're going to pour that grain in.
Oh, I get to pour one.
You pour.
You measure, I pour.
If you were doing a 5-gallon barrel, I'll show one of those in a minute. But those do 26 of the large bottles.
Yeah.
And then you could, if you wanted to, go ahead and do a 53-gallon barrel. Ooh, perfect. And those give you 267 bottles. So that would be like a company or a
Yeah.
corporation that wanted to give those out as gifts.
15.5, Keith.
15.5 ounces.
15.5.
And this is rye. This is the one that everyone either loves or hates because it has a powerful flavor.
You said 15?
Correct.
15. Slow.
Oh, almost.
Look at you. And you want to do your own correction?
Do you want to correct it?
I'm going to mess up the correction. I just guarantee
We'll
it.
see.
I don't think that was enough.
Find out.
Yeah.
So close.
I lost 0.1 ounce.
That's probably good right there.
Yep.
You think?
I do. Close. It was 15.6. We need 15.5.
Keith's trying to be a master. We're working on it.
It's hard to get that to pour just a little bit out of there. Wow, it didn't move off 15.6? How'd that happen? There we go. That's gonna be too much. No, it's not.
There you
Bam.
go. Okay, done and
All
done.
right.
So now you can pour.
All right.
Our friends are with us sitting back there watching, and it's like a laughing gallery.
We were rooting for 15-4.
Don't worry about the peanut gallery.
Are you guys betting? Over under?
Chanting
All right, so the good news is we don't have to measure anymore because the rest of the barrel gets the corn.
Oh.
And so
And
the remainder of the batch is what you're going
All right.
to do. And you're at 65% corn, so that's
65.
40.3 ounces for
Okay.
this little guy.
All right.
So corn
And
is
that's the
all of
corn.
it. So
Yep.
you guys could just pour away.
All right.
Annie's gonna pour it over so we baptize the barrel. I had
And
say
you're
it
going to
right.
see it start stacking up. You know you're there.
I'll see you later in about 3.5 months.
Yeah, and then we're gonna take this little barrel home. We gotta age it for about 3.5 months. And
Because
after
of the
that,
rye.
we will do a tasting and see how good it turned out.
Tasting meaning Keith and I.
Yeah, not those guys, just us.
That's how good they are.
Well, Felicia was down in Texas. She could come taste it too. But
Oh, good. Yeah.
Now, there is a 55 and older community not far from me that they do a lot of different things there. And so I have to get that name to you before you leave. So, you know, if you decided to come down,
Come on down to Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah. We could show them a few good bourbons.
Mm-hmm.
You have some pretty good bourbons coming out of Texas.
yeah. Garrison Brothers is a big one now.
It is.
Still Austin.
all right,
There you go.
there it
That's
is.
like ripping
Nice.
off the Band-Aid, so one of you
Yeah.
has to pull it out. So just go ahead.
Let's
Keith,
do it
that'd be
together.
good.
Let's
Okay,
do it together.
All right.
Okay. It is a little painful because you are
This is very
using the
painful.
alcohol
One,
a tiny bit.
2, 3.
Cool.
There you go. Did you see
wasn't
it splash
bad.
over?
That wasn't
That's
bad,
the baptizing.
yeah.
And so now you've got a little bitty bung. So that's bung is wood. So this isn't a cork.
And that would make that.
That's correct. So you're gonna push that in there.
Yeah, that's the bung, so that's the bung hole.
Yes. So enjoy.
Enjoy that.
This way.
You're gonna, yep, and then you're gonna pound it in.
Pound it in there.
You want a pound too, Keith?
No, you do it. You got it.
Is that-
Maybe one more.
Nice.
You want a tight bung.
Yeah, we do.
We do want a tight bung.
There you go.
All right.
All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick up their baby really fast and dry it because you guys still have to do what?
We
gotta
have
wax
to
it.
wax it.
And how come?
We got to make sure that we don't lose more to the angel share than we want to.
We like the Angels. We want them to have their share, but no more than their share. So we're going to make sure they only get, yeah.
Yes, they do. And then what's going to happen inside the barrel? Something goes on in there too. And I might not have even
The
visited. with
devil's
it.
cut.
Yes, the devil share.
Oh.
So the devil, he gets greedy too. So that's when it pushes through the wood, and then remember that brown line?
Yeah,
through the
that's
stave?
right. That's right. We
He
didn't
held
talk
on
about
to
that.
some.
Right. That's
and
right.
so then he'll push it back out. He'll share it again, but you have to squeeze it like the devil, they always say. But when you refill your barrel after it's empty, he'll flush that back through.
Okay,
Yeah.
outstanding.
He wants new stuff.
Outstanding.
All right, enjoy waxing.
So-
if it looks
Alright.
like it snowed, you did it just right.
And this is wax on, no wax off.
That's right. And just the wood is being protected so that it doesn't evaporate as much. Back in the olden days, they would use honey for the wax. So just the honeybee wax. And this is actually snowboarder wax because it's a little cleaner. When
Okay.
it heats up in the barrel houses, the honey would pull up, or excuse me, the beeswax would pull up on the floor. And
Well,
it was
and-
a heck of a mess.
And being in Reno, you probably have ready access to this? What am I trying to say?
Yes, we do. We have lots of
Okay, do we need to turn this
wax.
over and do the other side too, though?
You sure can.
We can.
Yep.
Did we do all of this? I didn't get all this.
Oh, I did. I did all mine.
Okay. No, I'm talking about in between. I didn't do all
Oh, no, I
this.
did all these.
If it has flakes just flying, you're just fine. That is
So we're doing okay?
doing a good job.
It's not often someone tells me that.
All right. Let's
Perfect
spin
job.
it.
Can we just
You sure
upside
can.
down
I'll
it?
hold the little guy. Yeah.
That was side.
just
Oh, I was
rotate
going
Let's do side. Let's go side first. Put it back on there. Yeah.
And these are tester barrels for us, and we call them little buddies around here. But this helps us determine if it's a really good batch of young spirits going in. What's it going to taste like once it touches the oak and starts to age and finishes its aging? So this will only take, like the guy said, 3 months usually. But because they added quite a bit of rye, it's going to take a little bit longer to age properly. So it's really smooth. And then it's ready to go. This would be a good indication for us here at the distillery. If we like what comes out of this barrel in 3.5 months, we would then go ahead and duplicate this recipe exactly and get it into a few hundred barrels.
And for us, we don't have a choice but to like it.
This is
Yeah,
true.
this is their baby and they're gonna love it.
We're hoping it's a sip it. We'd be fine if it was a splash it. I hope it's not a mix it.
It's gonna
But
be
if it is, we'll love it anyway. This is our baby. Alrighty.
Now,
think that's-
what are
I
you
think
gonna
good.
name your barrel?
We gotta name the barrel.
Because it's very taboo not to name a barrel that's going into a barrel house or a home because those spirits are just too rowdy.
I don't know how fun do we want to get with this name.
All right. Give me some ideas.
I want to honor Felicia who helped us.
Okay. I like that.
She helped us. This is the redhead helper.
The redhead helper.
Red-headed helper.
I like
Redheaded
that.
helper.
I like that. Let's do that.
What?
Red Keith.
Yeah.
No
Peanut
Keith.
gallery. Don't
Yeah,
listen to
don't listen to the peanut gallery.
redhead helper. I like that.
Redheaded helper.
Now you actually have a barrel maker down in Texas, and it's called Red-Headed Barrels, and it's for the woody woodpecker. So that's a bird you all have.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
do. Yeah.
You like that? Or you want something else?
I like it.
All right.
I think it's a fine name. Okay,
Well,
with
if
your
she
best
approved it, we're good to
handwriting,
go.
ahead and
That's
put
him.
that across
Who has
here.
Can
Who
we
has the best
tip it?
You
handwriting?
can pick it up however you like.
All right,
Who has- who has the best-
Not me.
Okay, well. We go red-headed or redhead?
I like redheaded.
Red-headed?
I like redhead helper.
Okay, just do redhead then. Redhead helper. We can leave room for the. Hold on.
I'm gonna do
across the
red.
middle, right?
Wherever you'd like.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do
Just-
redhead helper.
But don't forget, you gotta leave room for the date.
You do have to put the date on there, just this little guy
So
right
let's
there.
do that first then.
And just do it kind of on the edge because you'll want to reuse your barrel, and then it'll be kind of a story that tells all of the
All right,
dates.
so why don't you do it right there?
It'll be
Ah,
some
gotcha,
category.
gotcha. Okay.
17, C is in cat. Charlie, 26.
All right.
There we go. Now you can put.
Nice.
Am I holding it? You want me to put it down on the table so it's more solid?
Yeah, yeah.
And I can just hold it like this?
Yeah.
Well, I got the spigot
Oh,
right
you got
there.
to speak. We'll be all right. Yeah, my handwriting is not the best. Let me.
And this is entertainment for us. So we had them drink first and then pour alcohol in a tiny, tiny hole and then see what their handwriting looks like. It's a
Here we
drinking
go.
game.
Here it is.
Redhead helper.
Red-headed helper.
Well done, gentlemen.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, you've completed your barrel.
you.
Well done. All right. And best of luck for your baby. And then I'll show you, if you guys want to
Yes,
chat
please.
for a second, I'll
Yeah.
show you how this is going to head home.
Okay.
This is a great experience.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
This is a lot of fun, guys. If you're ever in Reno, make a trek. Plan on coming here. Couple hours. They do it, what, twice a day? Yeah,
Twice a day, 6 days a week.
6 days a week. High Mark Distillery, just Google it, you'll find them.
Yep.
That's how I found them.
And this is how much is going to come out of their baby barrel. So
4 of those.
Here are 4 of the bottles with their little corks ready to go. So that's in their to-go case to take home. And then it's got the little carrying, the little rack for at the house. And then this is, you know, depending on where you guys want to keep it once you get home, because this is the only size that gets to go home. Other than that, they have to stay here at the distillery with the larger volumes. And then it's truly yours. So you can come visit it and test it and sample it as much as you want. In fact, I've had some pilots that are on 24-hour layovers while they're here in town, and they visited their barrel so many times they drank it green. So they emptied their barrel before it ever became a bourbon. That happens too. But this little guy is going to be a beauty and just
Okay.
have a little bit. In fact, next month it's going to have changed so much because
Okay.
every month equates to about a year and a half in this barrel.
So we'll get together, do a quick testing of our baby. Ooh, I don't know. This is our baby, so we'll have to go with that. So would you say 1 month increments?
Yeah.
Would that be?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And then you've got your book, so that's an official barrel log. And if you wanted to show that, they're going to be recording all of the information. And so it's the temperature and humidity and the barrel roll, the waxing, all kinds of different things. And then that is what makes it top high dollar for resale of the barrel. Now this smaller one, they're going to go ahead and keep that. They chose to make another whiskey or a rum or something after
else,
this.
yes.
Or they could do a beer, or they could do a wine. So many good, delicious choices after this. And but anyway, this will have its pedigree. It's kind of like a racehorse, and you want to know who are the parents. So that's
Yeah.
what goes on
That'd
with
be
the
us.
barrel.
That'd be us.
They're the parents. Yes.
Non-traditional.
Yeah, very much so.
An awkward family photo.
Absolutely.
Awesome, Felicia. Thank you so much for everything. It was wonderful talking to you. You have a wonderful facility here. I kid you not, you guys need to come here and check this out. It's great.
Yep.
Any last words, Aaron?
Just do it. Just do it. Come to Reno, especially you bowlers. You come here every 3 years. Make this one of the places that you stop.
Absolutely.
You will be thanking me. You won't pay me, but you'll thank me.
Let me qualify that. If you like whiskey. If you don't like whiskey, I don't know why you'd come here.
Oh,
but,
then you got.
but maybe you would like whiskey if you came here and tried it.
Yeah, because you got moonshine.
Oh, the moonshine was awesome.
You got rum.
Yeah, rum.
So-
All kinds of flavored stuff.
Yeah.
And I'll throw the pictures up. I took some pictures of their different bottles over there. I'll throw that up on the screen.
Yeah,
There's
we
no
actually-
reason for you not to come unless you don't like to drink.
Ooh, who are those folks?
I know.
They're out there. They're out there. So. All right.
All right. Well, have a wonderful day, and thanks for coming to High Mark,
right.
you guys.
Yep.
It was
All right.
truly my pleasure to have
Thanks a
both of
lot.
you.
Appreciate you.